Hello and welcome to Big Review TV. I'm your host Julia, and today we're taking a step back in time into the wonderful world of the Brighton Toy and Model Museum. Let's go check it out.
I have always had a passion, shall we say, for trains, the models of them, and actually models of all sorts of other things. And I have collected models since I was this high, which is a long time. And I acquired so many. They were under the bed, they're in the wardrobe, they're in the kitchen cabinet, they're everywhere. And I decided I've got to do something with them, and with some other people, friends of mine, we said, why don't we set up a museum? We found these arches to rent from British Rail Property Board, and I thought, wow, let's have a look. And I came in and it was in a ghastly state, and we spent nearly a year really working hard to get the whole thing good. We set this up, as I say, 26 years ago, and we have gone from strength to strength, which is really brilliant. In this day and age when things find it hard to succeed, I have to say we are succeeding. It is born of a passion, and the people here, most of them do have a passion for the subject, because who doesn't like old toys, old models, dolls, farms and all this stuff? Of course, with me it's the trains.
The Brighton Toy and Model Museum is honestly an incredible experience right under the Brighton train station on Trafalgar Street. It's very easy to get to, so next time you're in Brighton, come on down.